Now I know my ABCs. A is for alpaca. B is for bats. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for eel. F is for frog. G is for goose. H is for hermit crab. I am for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lemur. M is for mankey. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for polar bear. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for shark. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for warthog. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.
Sparkle's A to Z Kids Rhyme. A to Z Kids Rhyme is a fun and educational alphabet song for children in the United States. Each letter introduces a word with rhyme, rhythm, and playful sounds. Perfect for early learning, preschool fun, and English practice, it helps kids enjoy reading, singing, and discovering the alphabet. Video created by Educational Video Kid.
A is for apple, shiny and red. Red apple is tasty and healthy. Kids learn colors, fruits, and healthy eating habits. B is for ball. We bounce on the bed. A round ball bounces high. Children understand shapes, play, and movement. C is for cat, who purrs all day. Cute cat says meow. Kids learn about pets, sounds, and caring. D is for dog, who loves to play. Friendly dog loves to play. Teaches loyalty, friendship, and responsibility. E is for elephant, big and tall. Big elephant with trunk. Helps kids imagine size, animals, and strength. F is for fish, who swims in the hall. Fish swims in water. Teaches water animals in movement. G is for goat, climbing so high. Goat climbs hills. Kids learn about farm animals and balance. H is for hat, you wear in July. Colorful hat on head. Children learn clothing and seasons. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. Sweet ice cream is cold. Teaches taste, temperature, and fun. J is for jump, with happy feet. Kids jump high with joy. Builds energy, fitness, and fun. K is for kite, flying in the sky. Kite flies in sky. Teaches air, weather, and outdoor play. L is for lion, with a roar so high. Lion roars loud. Kids learn jungle animals and bravery. M is for monkey, swinging with cheer. Monkey swings on trees. Shows fun, movement, and energy. N is for nest, where birds appear. Birds build nests. Teaches nature, safety, and homes. O is for orange, juicy and round. Orange is juicy fruit. Kids learn taste, shape, and health. P is for piano, making soft sound. Piano makes music. Teaches sound, rhythm, and creativity. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. The queen wears a crown. Children learn respect, leadership, and imagination. R is for rainbow, shining down. Rainbow shines bright. Teaches colors, nature, and beauty. S is for sun, so warm and bright. Sun gives light. Kids learn day, warmth, and energy. T is for train, chugging at night. The train moves fast. Teaches travel, sound, and motion. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. Umbrella keeps dry. Teaches weather, safety, and protection. V is for violin, playing nearby. Violin makes music. Children learn sound, art, and skill. W is for whale, swimming so free. Big whale swims. Teaches ocean, size, and animals. X is for xylophone, music for me. Xylophone makes tunes. Teaches sound, rhythm, and music. Y is for yellow, sunny, and fun. Yellow is bright color. Helps kids learn colors, light, and joy. Z is for zoo, with animals to run. Zoo has animals. Teaches nature, learning, and fun.
Dear kids, today we learned the alphabet from A to Z with fun rhymes, colors, and stories. Each letter gave us something special, like apples, balls, cats, and even the big blue whale. Learning letters is the first step to reading, writing, and exploring the world. When you sing and play with the alphabet, your memory grows stronger, your words get brighter, and your imagination flies higher. Keep practicing every day, because learning is like a wonderful adventure. Thank you for joining this A to Z rhyme. See you again with more fun and learning. Bye-bye, kids. Waving hand sparkles.